Hey guys, welcome back on channel From Zero to Millionaire. Today we'll be speaking how to prepare in easy way YouTube channel art. YouTube channel art is displayed in the top of the your channel. Here's an example from my channel. Is big banners with my logo and image. This banner is very important because speaking for new viewers and showing what about this channel is. So if somebody came to this channel, you present information about your channel, about your brand. And this banner is displayed in a couple of different dimensions, and I will be speak a little about it a little later. So stay tuned, and we will be go through every step to from create to upload this channel art on your channel.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
First step is to knowledge about what dimensions you need to prepare this channel art. To find this information, of course, you need to go to YouTube support page and or you can simply search this information in Google. So YouTube channel art dimensions. And like you see, first link is separate from Google, so it's official information. We can go here. And we can find here information about size. So size is here, so it's a big image. And to better understand how it's working and why this is so big, so we should find some image who present information, who present template about this channel art. So simply search in Google. And we go to graphic. And for example, here's information about templates. So we can open a new tab. Okay, I have displayed these images. So here is information about how to prepare your YouTube channel art. And this template is split for a couple of devices. Like we see in the center, we have desktop minimum and mobile. So this part of this big image is displayed on desktop minimum and mobile devices. If we add this and this is dimensions for the tablet, and this desktop max. So if we add this and this whole part will be displayed on full size desktop. Like you see, this is full dimensions. But you need to remember, YouTube is displayed, of course, on the TV. So this whole square is displayed on the TV. So if you want to prepare good channel art, you need to remember what part is displayed on what devices. The best in the simplest option is prepared all mine information in this part. And if you want to add some additional part of the image, you can use this tablet or the desktop max, but you need to remember this won't be displayed on, for example, mobile. And if you want to add some for TV, you need to remember, if you put here information, this will be only displayed on TV. This won't be displayed if you open this on your mobile devices. I recommend to download this image, this template, and next step we will be creating a simple channel art, and this template will be very useful. So step number 2 is create your channel art. I use to this purpose free tools, what is called Canva, and you can simply go to this web page, is canva.com. I put link in this description to this program. You can register here for free and use for free. Here we have two options to create a YouTube channel. But before we go to this, we need start to search YouTube channel art in this searching. So like you see, here is ready preset and good dimensions. And here on this step, we have two options to create channel art. First option is use one of these templates that you see here. So you can simply select some templates from here and make a little edit and fit to your YouTube channel. For example, if you have some channel with cooking, baking, you can use this template. Like you see, here's ready templates. You can change title, subtitle. Of course, you can change this image, but I recommend you make little custom channel art, and you can simply can select a blank option. And like you see, we are on the blank option. Now upload here image, this template what we found in the network. This help us to prepare template correct dimensions. So simply drag and drop here image. Resize this image in a full of this white paper. And like you see, we have our templates, and now we can start working on these templates. So my channel, what I will be work today is relaxing music. So I add some text, and I type relaxing music. Here we have option to change this text. Maybe I use Oswald or Peace Sans, or maybe this, a little less, 100. Okay. Now I can add some subtitle. Peace Sans, Oswald, maybe Oswald. Okay, little below, yes, little small, 15.4 maybe would be good, yes. And now we can group this together. So moving together this one times. Now I can add some elements. Relax. I use this icon. So like I spoke, I'm using this small rectangle to display on all device. And mine part is good. Now I'm use some background. In this case, I use this background. Yes, we change little transparency to maybe 60. Okay, make some adjust little blur. Okay, maybe little saturation, maybe not. Too many blur transparency. Okay, 60, something like this. Now I add some square, or maybe I change little color this background. So yeah, maybe this will be better, and transparency maybe little smaller. Okay, now I add some elements. Yes, this will be square like this, little bigger as transformation. Yes, yes, bigger, yes, exactly like this. Something like this. And I can change the color of this. Okay, I think this connection is good. And this is my very simple banner. Now I can simple download this. This is a big button on the top right corner. And here you can here you have option to download, so you can push this button, download this to your device. And now time to go to your YouTube channel, and this is last part where you're uploading your channel art. So let's go to my channel and I show you how to do this. But before we go there, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe my channel and hit notification bell to get notification about new videos. Small pro tip before we start: if you want to change the YouTube channel art, please make this in Google Chrome, because on the Safari this option doesn't work. So I can show you. So we can go to customize channel, and here is option to change your banner, edit channel art. And like you see, I get some login information to log in to Google account. I tried to log in, but this is some kind of bug, I think in YouTube. But if you go to your YouTube channel in Google Chrome browser, this working well. So let's go to Google Chrome. And like you see, I am now on the Google Chrome. And now I can show you how to upload this channel art. It's very simple. So push button, customize channel. Here is option with pencil and option edit channel art. So push on this, and now we have option to change your channel art. First option is upload photo. So now you can upload your photo, your image, what you prepared in canva.com, and you can use drag and drop and put here your image, or you can use default select, and you can select your image. Here will be my relaxing music. So I open, and now it's upload. Now you have uploaded image, and now you have example how your channel art will be look on the devices. Here is desktop, and this is the center option. This will be look on your TV, and this will be look on mobile devices. Of course, you can adjust your channel art. So you can push this, and using this square, you can change the size and position of the main content. Main content is on this rectangle. but we prepare it in the correct way. So I back to this full size crop and back to this option. And if I want to confirm changing of my channel art, push button select. Now my channel art is saved, and like you see, it's presenting very well on my channel. If you have any question about this topic, and if you want to see something special, how to manage YouTube channel, or if you want, I'm preparing some dedicated video, please put this information in comments below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.